What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Oh, yeah. Been gone for a couple of weeks, y'all. Been on a little vacation. Went on a vacation with the family. Just making those memories, fam. Making those memories. Nothing like spending time with the ones you love, with those grandkids, with your children. Yeah, had a great time, y'all. Do y'all see these beautiful caladiums? Do y'all see these beautiful caladiums? Oh yeah. Check it out, y'all. Well, fam, I just wanted everybody to know that I was back in these YouTube streets. I did receive some DMs, and people was wondering where I was. Had I quit YouTube? Nope, I have not. I'm here. I'm here, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all stand by for a garden update. A garden update, an after vacation garden update, fam. Coming soon. But you know I couldn't leave you guys without a little something. I couldn't make that trip down there without bringing back a little something. What's in the box, y'all? What's in the box? Stand by, family. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out. One.